Ever wondered if the changes into the female genitalia due to the aging of childbearing can be repaired or treated? Hi, I'm Dr. Savita Rathod, working as consultant obstetrician and gynecologist at Medicover Women and Child Hospital, High Tech City. Today, let us delve into the fascinating world of cosmetic gynecology and know few details about it. So cosmetic gynecology, it's a new upcoming branch which deals with the inner beauty of a woman. So basically we are treating the conditions with which women do not reach to the doctors, such as problems with the sexual intercourse, any problems of vaginal laxity or vaginal atrophy due to childbearing or due to aging. And also there is many a times seen that because of the aging, there could be leak in the urine while coughing or sneezing. And many a times women also experience dissatisfaction, or they do not reach orgasms during intercourse. And these are certain issues which can be corrected with the use of cosmetic gynecology. We have options of non-surgical and surgical options to treat these conditions. And non-surgical options include lasers, radiofrequency, plasma, electromagnetic chairs, to name a few. So these are basically energy-based devices. They transmit heat, and the heat is produced from the device. It is transmitted to the surface into the skin, and this helps in development of the collagen tissue and the new vessels, which will help in tightening the lost elasticity. So this helps in the development of new collagen and blood supply, which will help in rejuvenating the aged tissue. So vaginal rejuvenation is the most sought after treatment in the field of cosmetic gynecology. So women can experience the pleasure of intercourse which they had been experiencing before the childbirth. And non-surgical treatment options require multiple sessions, maybe 3 to 4, to achieve the desired results. And it is a safe procedure. It can be done in the OPD setting, and the patient can walk home the same day, and also she can participate in sexual intercourse the same day. And these are certain advantages with the non-surgical method. But all said and done, surgical treatment offers the best treatment, but because of the fear of surgery, many patients do not reach to the doctor with these issues. And so we can offer them non-surgical options first, and if they do not achieve the desired results, we can also give them the options of surgery. Surgery also in the field of cosmetic gynecology are varied. It can include vaginoplasty, which is vaginal tightening, and then we also sometimes women have issues with the asymmetry of the labia. Those are the lips outside the vagina. So these asymmetry corrections can also be done, where we call it as labioplasty. And the clitoris is the most sensitive part in a female genital area, and it is the one which has more nerve endings and which gives the pleasure to the women. So any women who has been facing issues with sexual dissatisfaction or any leak in the urine during coughing or sneezing, what we call as stress urinary incontinence, or any orgasmic dysfunction or any vaginal laxity, please reach out to us at Medicover Hospital for further information. Thank you.